Alright, welcome back. So, ngayon alam niyo na kung paano mag-display or mag-declare ng variables sa JavaScript. Ngayon, i-discuss naman natin kung ano yung different data types na pwede nating magamit sa mga variables na yun. So, lagi niyo munang tandaan na sa JavaScript, we have two types of data types, no? So, merong dalawang klase ng data types. So, una is yung primitive data types. So, ano yung primitive data types? So, sila yung mga basic building blocks ng ating application for storing and manipulating simple values. So, they are already predefined by the language and they are not objects. So, some examples of primitive data types are numbers, string, boolean, null, and also can be undefined. So, yun yung mga primitive data types. Ano naman yung isa pang type ng ating data type? So, it is called reference data types. So, ano naman yung reference data types? So, sila yung types na hindi directly stored sa isang variable. So, they can be accessed instead by reference. So, they are more complex than the primitive types of data. And they can store multiple or a lot of data or objects. So, some of that or some of the types included in this type of data is object, arrays, and functions, and many more. So, yun lang yung mga basic na need ninyong malaman. And we're going to discuss that in this video. So, balik tayo sa terminal natin. So, JavaScript has several built-in data types. So, delete muna natin yung pinagagawa natin on the previous episode. So, how can you declare a string na data type? So, for example, let message and then eto, so hello world. So this is a string. So embark by double quotes or pwede rin siyang single quotes, diba? So yan, this is how you declare a string. So how about a number? So previously we declare an age. So let age equals 10. So this is how you declare a number. So it can be 10.5, 10.50. So ikaw yung bahala sa pag-declare, basta number siya. The other one is boolean. So, what are the values of booleans? It could be true or false. So, let, for example, is boolean. So, you can say false, right? You can also say true. Okay, so depende sa'yo kung anong papangalan mo sa mga variable mo. And depende if may sinusunod kayo na naming convention. So, depende pa rin sa'yo yan. So, what are other types aside from this? So, we can use the other types which are reference types. So that can be an object. So let, for example, person. So sa person, if gusto mo mag-declare ng object, so you need to have this mustache syntax or curly braces, ang tawag nila. And then you will have to inject like properties sa object na to. So this is how you declare an object in JavaScript. So you will have key value pairs inside the person. So ano ba yung mga properties ng person? So we'll say it will have a name. So name and then John Doe, for example. So that is his name. So a person has age. So 21, for example. So these are the properties of the person. So if you check mo si person, makita mo siya, isa siyang object na may name na string and may age na number. So that is how you declare a object. So try natin i-console.log tong object. .log person. Okay, enderan natin. So node index.js. So makita mo, you have name, John Doe, age 21. So paano natin ma-access yung data na nasa loob ng person? So, what if name lang yung gusto natin na i-display? So, we have a dot notation for that. For example, dot name. So, ayan, dot name. So, gusto mong i-run. Yan, John Doe. So, si John Doe. So, yung name lang yung na-display sa ating console. Ayan, so what if age naman yung gusto mong i-access? So, pwede rin dyan dito. So, person, gamit yung dot notation or dot na pag-access. So, dot age, save, and then run ulit. Ayan, so John Doe 21. And there is another way, no, na ma-access yung values ni person. So, gamitin natin yung square bracket, no, na pag-access. So, paano naman yun? So, dito, person, and then open ka ng square bracket, and then yung name ng property. So, name, for example. And then, same rin dito sa age. So, person, and then square bracket, and then name ng property, age, and then save, and then run ulit. Ayan, so same lang sila ng values. So, tama, no? There are two ways, no, to access that. And you have a dot notation, you have square bracket na pag-access ng data sa objects. So, we'll proceed into another type of data or data type, which is an array. So, i-delete muna natin to. So, we'll declare an array. So, let fruits, for example, equals, so, square bracket, and then yung values. So, apple, orange, ayan, durian, for example. Fruit being durian, okay? So, ayan, meron ka ng fruits na array dito. So, paano mo naman i-access yung values ng array natin? So, ginagamit natin yung index-based na pag-access dito sa JavaScript. So, for example, console.log, no? Gusto kong i-log si durian. So, anong gagawin ko? So, fruits, and then square bracket, and then yung index ni durian. So, take note that we are starting from 0, no? In our indexing here sa array. So, 0 will equal to apple, 1 will equal to orange, and 2 will equal to durian. So, if you save this and console.log, yan, meron ka ng durian sa iyong console. So, that is how you access an array element or value in JavaScript. And matapos yung array, meron pa tayong isang type of data, and that is function. So, let's try this kung paano tayo mag-declare, no, ng function sa ating data or as a variable. So, for example, we will have an add function. So, add equals, okay, declare mo lang yung function, and then yung parameter mo. So, we will have here, for example, A, and then B, and then i-return mo lang sila, A plus B. Okay? So now, you have successfully declared a variable or data type that is a function. So, i-try natin. So, paano natin gagawin? We need to console.log add, and then ipapasa natin yung mga numbers na i-add natin. So, 1 plus 2. So, tignan natin if gagana. So, i-run natin nodeindex.js. And bam! You have there the result of 3. So, abangan niyo sa susunod na video, pag-uusapan pa natin kung ano yung mga operators na ginagamit sa JavaScript.